Hey guys, it's Camden Miller back here, and we're taking a video of my little puppy Ocho, and he's off. So, if you ever if you ever run, he will chase you. It's a little scary, and he bites a lot.
Gonna do a video for Ocho.
And then Maddox right here gets crabby to him. And then let's see if Ocho will run. Hey Ocho! Okay.
Hey, Klein, you have to get all your guys out of here. Ocho! Ocho! Come here.
Kind's trying to get Ocho to chase him.
Come on, man.
Waiting for him to eat. I mean, he's really fluffy and stuff.
Come on, Ocho!
Let's see what's he doing. Of course.
I just ordered 12 pillows, and I saved
That's my mom.
$156.
Hey Ocho!
New pillows, boys.
Okay, Kind.
Okay. Ready, Ocho? Ocho! Ocho!
There.
Mom, this is gonna fill up.
Sometimes he goes a little faster. Do it again, Kyan.
Ocho!
I'm gonna go
Ocho!
attack. Oh no.
Back to his bone.
I don't know. Maybe I should just go in the afternoon. Do something there.
Well, I know that was a boring and short video, but here's our little puppy. And hope you subscribe, like, comment down below. What is your favorite dog? Bye.